Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to download whatever user has entered in the text box or select, or it might be a comment box or text area like that, into a text file. So let us see demo for that. For this I have created a text box and a download button. Once user enters anything, like this. So once user clicks on this download button, we will be downloading whatever user entered in this text box or text area anything into a text file, so text document. So we can rename this text file and save. So once I open this, you should be able to see this text. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you can see here this is the text file, and please subscribe to my channel. So in this way we will be downloading whatever user has entered. So let us see how to do that practically. So this is the project what I have created, React 2, and I'm going to write entire code in this app.js. So you can create your own functional component and you can reuse that anywhere. So in this app.js I'm going to create a container. This container is from Semantic UI. Inside this container I'm going to use segment. And in this segment we are going to write our code, and I am going to create a div. In this div I will be creating one input box and another one is a button. So this might be an input or text area or comment box, anything. And to this input I am going to use some ID called input, and some spacing. You can give anything, space. And I am going to create a button. Once user clicks on this button, he will be able to download whatever he has entered in that input box, and I am naming it as download. And color is primary, and once user clicks on this, event will be handled. And I am creating a method called as create text file, as this is the functional component. I am going to create a arrow function in this. we and in this function I am going to create an element, constant element equal to document dot current element, a. So in this I am going to create a file. This blob will take two arguments. One is the value what user has entered, So you can use use state or anything. So as of now I'm using this JavaScript document.getElement by ID. If you are using use state, you can use this on change something. By using that you will be getting the value to that use state constant variable whatever you have created. Based on you can send the value to this blob. Another argument so we want value of what user has entered, and the next argument is the object which takes type, and type I'm taking it as text or plain. Char set equal to utf hyphen yite. Now I am using this element here, and this element dot href equal to I am accessing URL dot create object URL. So this all is used for creating a file, and element dot download equal to so whatever name you want to save once user clicks on this download. I am naming it as new document .txt. Even after download button is clicked, you will be able to change the name. So this is only the temporary name. And next thing is document dot body dot append child of element. So we are appending this element. Next we are going to click that element dot click. So once this is done, you have to save this, and let us verify whether it's working or not by opening our browser. So we are getting some error here, element is not defined. Yeah, it is saving, so it's showing some error. Now I'm going to open my terminal, and let us start our application by using npm start. We are running our application by using npm start, so let us wait until it gets executed successfully. So you can use the same approach in JavaScript or Angular or anywhere if you want. So the code will be same. So it got compiled successfully, so let us head back to our browser and check whether it's working or not. So once I refresh this, you will be able to see an input box and a download button. And I am going to enter something. Please subscribe, and once I click on this download, I will be able to see this pop-up, and once I click on this save, it will be saved or downloaded successfully. And if you click on this, you can see the text please subscribe, and in this way you will be able to download whatever user has entered. So this is the end of this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, share our video. Thank you. And I am going to create multiple playlists in React and Angular and Node.js as well. So we are going to plan new tutorials on Node.js and new integrations as well. So please subscribe to our channel.